Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to change the opacity or transparency of a header picture in Microsoft Word to create a clean, professional and watermark style design. This technique is perfect for branded documents, letterheads, reports and creative layouts. Instead of using external editing software, you will discover how to adjust picture transparency directly inside Word using built-in formatting tools. So let's get started. We can see here many pages to this assignment. This is a assignment for my college. Now I want to add a picture header and disable the transparency to this header. You can add the header, you can make manually, like go to the insert menu, otherwise double click on the top of the page, then go to the design menu, select the picture option. Now I am select a picture from my file. Now I select this image and click insert, then select the image and go to the image format menu or picture tools. Click the wrap text option and choose in front of text, then resize the image, then click this option. Then we can see here the picture option. Go to the picture correction option and we can see here the brightness and contrast. Now I am select the picture color and here the crop option. Now I change the transparency of the picture. Here the brightness, now I disable the brightness. You can enable or disable this, like reset this. Go to the shape option and we can see here the picture and then fill the picture to this image, then change the transparency. We can see we change the transparency to this picture. Otherwise you can add the color, then close this, then double click on the main page. Now we can see we change the transparency of header picture easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.